scored in the Champions League, not for Bayer Leverkusen, not for Chelsea. You picked the perfect place to get your first goal.
I know. I waited a long time. Now I've done it. I just want to thank my family, my parents, my brother, my sister, my grandmother, my girlfriend. They're here in the stadium. I don't know what to say. I worked 15 years for that moment, and now it's something that just happened.
Well, you looked overwhelmed now, but as you were closing in on goal, hang on. Congratulations, congratulations. What do you think of him? He was very cool when he was going in on goal.
Now he deserves that, you know. Tough season, yeah, but look, mentality top. This guy is gonna be a superstar. He's already. He gave us the Champions League. Not only that, he ran like crazy. That's the teamwork. That's why he deserves this.
Kai, that's a good point, because there's a lot of pressure on you. You're the most expensive Chelsea player ever. You paid it all back in one night, nearly.
To be honest, right now I give a fuck on that. We won the fucking Champions League. And we just celebrating.
I apologise for that fruity language, but you understand why. The emotions are flying high. So, Cesario,